If you're new to my channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Hey guys, in today's video, we're just gonna go out and eat chicken wings for dinner. This is a very late dinner. My husband and I just decided to go out and get some chicken wings for the two of us. So let's go. Since the kids have their own plan, we decided to go out and have a little date. For my drink, I have sangria. It's a tropical drink with a little bit of alcohol in it, so it's really yummy. It's called tropical sangria. And for his drink, he got the Belgian Moon. That's a very good drink for him. It's kind of like a beer. It's called Belgian Moon. You should try it. Tropical sangria has an alcohol. It's a mixed fruit, and typically red wine is the base of the sangria. Okay. And we got the Belgian Moon, which is the beer, and it's really good. The one that I got a white wine instead of red. So it's really good. Here you go. This is my order. It's a hot honey and Caribbean chicken wings, Caribbean jerk. And what he got is cheese parmesan and some barbecue chicken wings as well. Both of us got 2 pounds chicken wings, and let's see if we're gonna finish it. Chicken wings comes with carrots and celery on the side with blue cheese dip, and the other one is ranch. So it's really yummy. Look at that jumbo chicken wings that we got. Now let me try it. Hot honey got a little kick to it. It's really good. It's a little bit spicy and sweet and lots of garlic. They're really good. enjoying his chicken wings. You guys want some? You should try it. So good. Yummy, yummy. Mine is empty too. It's so good, and I feel tipsy after. This drink is empty. Look, our plates are empty. We really had a joy last night. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.